Hello everyone, my name is Hrittik Banerjee. I am a data science and machine learning intern at StarTech Academy. In this video, I am going to show you the solution of problem number 1 of task 2. Here, you can see the general store dataset that is provided to me. So, my job is to analyze this data based on pivot tables. It is very easy to create pivot tables. Just go to Insert tab. Then you can see the pivot table option here. Click on that. After clicking on that, you will be seeing pivot table fields. So from here you can choose what to put in rows, columns, filters and summation values. For example, I have choose to put outlet type in rows and then the same on the summation values. What I am getting the different types of outlet and their counts. You can clearly see this from this pivot table. Okay, on the next sheet, this pivot table is based on the different outlets with the help of outlet identifier column, and the sum of for different item outlet sales is shown in this pivot table. Okay, here we are interested in seeing the total sales for different item types in different outlet types. So, for example, just this 9,586. It is the total sale of the item baking good on in grocery store. There is grocery store is the outlet type here mentioned outlet type, and the items are baking goods, breads, etc. It is very easy to see different total sales of different items and in different outlet types from this pivot table. So let's moving to the next pivot table. Here it is the previous pivot table with regular item fat content. Here I have removed the low fat content from the table. This pivot table is based on totally the data where we have item fat content equal to regular, and you can see the same, that is the item type baking goods has total sales 4,629 in grocery store. The previous one was something like 9,000 something. So the low fat content is removed, and also consequently some total sales also removed with this. Next, I have added some slicers. Okay, slicers are very important. You can add slicers very easily. Just go to pivot table analyze tab. Here you can see this pivot table analyze, and there you can see insert slicer. After clicking on insert slicers, there are different types of slicers you will see, and just keep what you want to slice, what on which basis you want to slice basically. So I have kept two of them, item fat content and item type. uh, let someone is interested is in the total sale of soft drinks with low fat content. So it is very easy for him to see with the help of these slicers. Just select the soft drinks item type and go to low fat item content. You can easily see this, that is the soft drinks with low fat have total sale of 6,887.701 in grocery store, and the rest is also shown here. And you can also easily see the total sale, that is 316,264.987 for soft drinks with low fat content. So slicers help us in different ways, and here ends the solution of part 1 of this problem. Let's move to part 2. In the part 2 of problem 1, we are provided with the profit loss statement of some company on the year 2020. Our first task is to draw a line diagram of net profit versus net profit margin. We are provided with this table, so just click on it, go to quick analysis option, then go to charts. Here you can see the line diagram option floating here, but I prefer to go to more charts. then go to all charts. Here you can see different types of diagrams. So go to line, we want line diagram, and then you can click this or whichever you want. After clicking selecting on the your favorable one line diagram, you can go to different styles, then your background will change. Like I have selected the black background line diagram. So after selecting this, you can go to this plus option, the chart elements. Here you can select different types of chart elements. So for example, I can remove these data labels by clicking on this, and here you can this data table. The data table will remove, and if you want to keep this data table, you can just click on that, and the data table will remain. After that, I'm going to create a column chart for historical revenue. Just select this table, go to quick analysis option, and in the similar way go to charts and then column. You can create this column chart. This is the expense breakup pie chart I have created here. This is the pie chart of expense breakup. You can see here. Just go to chart, so quick analysis, then go to charts. Here you can see the pie chart is showing. Okay, so after that, it is the column chart of main expenditure item target versus achieved. We can see it from here. Similarly, as we have drawn it earlier, it is also made. Okay, our final goal is to make a dashboard, and here is the dashboard. In the first one, we can see the net profit versus net profit margin line diagram. Second, we can see the historical revenue column chart. Then it is the pie chart of expense breakup, and finally the column chart of main expenditure item target versus achieved. So yes, it is the end of the part 2 of problem number 1, and it is a quite good learning thanks to StarTech Academy.